Hello, welcome to SDSC Specialist Cars. This is our video review of our 1971 Ford Torino 500. We sold this car at the end of last year and the customer took it away. It's had bare metal respray on it at nearly 6,000 pounds. Had all the interior retrimmed. The car is absolutely immaculate. It really is. It could be, with a little bit of TLC, could be concourse, quite easily concourse. This is quite possibly one of the best Torinos you will find anywhere in the world. Original colour scheme, and as I said, she's beautiful. I'm going to walk around the car. He's only put her for sale. The guy spent a fortune on her, and change of circumstances mean he's got to sell her, so we've taken it on for him. Front wheel, I mean, the paint is new, so you know everything, even the stripes under the lacquer, they're properly done. It's just stunning. Front wing and the front wheel there, the Rostyles. There's no rust on this car either. She came from Arizona originally. I mean, the paintwork, it's just unbelievable. The paint finish is incredible, absolutely incredible. Look at that. Rear wheel there. Of course, you've got the original stripes, Torino stripes down the side of the car. And she is a 500 as well. And all the bumpers and everything, the chrome is just beautiful. Twin exhausts out the back there. You know, he's even hunted round. He's got replacement badges and, you know, even new pedal rubbers. The detail he's put into the car is just incredible. Like I say, you won't find another one like this. It really is spot on. The other wheel there. This is what you get when you buy a good car and then throw a load of money at it. I mean, it's spectacular. Look at that bonnet. Look at the shine on that. That's incredible. Look. Front wheel there. Around the front of the car. Again, all the chrome and everything. It's just in the detail. You know, why would you buy a Mustang? They don't drive well. They rattle, they shake, they're crap. This is such a good car. Look at this, look at the interior. Look, the door panels. I mean, they're all brand new. All the carpets are brand new. Right. Like I said, the pedal rubbers. Got the B&M shifter in there, the rev counter. Old-fashioned looking radio, but it is a modern digital radio. New headlining. All the dash has been stitched in leather. Look at that, look at that. And then this is better than it left the factory. I mean, he's absolutely gutted to sell the car, obviously. Come around, have a look under the bonnet. It's all original under here as well, so this has not been detailed. Look at that. Like I say, she's all original under here, so it's not been messed with. There's no rust or anything. When we had the car brought over, you know, she was like I say, a dry state car. Makes all the difference. She starts on the button, runs spot on. now for the best bit. I'll start her up and you can hear what she sounds like. And there we have it. That's our video review of our 1971 Ford Torino 500. What a car. Like I said, I mean, try finding anything else at this price like this. A proper muscle car, fully restored. You know, if that was a 68 Mustang, it'd be 60,000. And it's a Ford Torino. It's just cooler, way cooler. Should you have any more questions, just give me a call. My name is Stuart and our website is www.sdsc.co.uk. Many thanks for watching.